Various sources of sound in our environment are: 1. Human voice, speech, singing, shouting, or any vocalization by humans. 2. Musical instruments, string instruments, guitar, violin, wind instruments, flute, trumpet, percussion instruments, drums, xylophone. 3. Nature sounds, birds chirping, waves crashing, wind blowing, rain falling, thunder, animal calls, etc. 4. Mechanical sounds, engines, motors, fans, machinery, vehicles, construction equipment. 5. Electronic devices, televisions, radios, speakers, alarms, cell phones, computers. 6. Environmental noise, traffic, airplanes, trains, crowds, urban noise.